Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's setup is a little bit different because I'm filming basically my nighttime skin routine slash like get unready with me. So I'm going to take you through like the process of taking my makeup off and the skincare I use and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm in my bathroom right now because that is the first thing I do is take my makeup off in the bathroom. Yeah, I just thought this would be a fun video to do because I've never really shown my skincare routine or talked about it much on my channel, and I get lots of questions surprisingly because my skin is not anywhere near good. But yeah, I just thought I would show you guys what I use. Make sure that you like this video and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we're just gonna get into it. I'm sorry if it's a little echoey in here and like if the lighting's not great, but we're working with what we have because I was not about to bring my ring light and all that stuff in this tiny bathroom. So first thing I'm gonna do is just put a headband in to get my hair out of my face because I hate my hair being in my waist. Yeah, it's not a cute look. No one said this was gonna be a cute look. And then I'm taking off my lashes because I've been dying to do this. So first thing I'm going to be doing is makeup remover. I have transitioned away from wipes and I now use balms and oils. So I'm testing out some products. I've used the pharmacy one, which I really liked. Same with the It Cosmetics. Both of those balms worked really good. The one that I'm using right now is from Tatcha. This is their Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. So while my face is completely dry, I'm just gonna put some of this in my hand. It's about to get real ugly here, and I just massage this into my skin. Completely breaks up and removes all makeup. Not that I'm wearing like a ton right now. I really only have like tinted moisturizer on. And then like my brows and mascara. So I try to be as gentle as I can when I'm around my eyes. So I just do very gentle circular motions just to help the product break up without like really being aggressive or tugging. Usually I just try to break up most of it, and then if there's any excess I'll go in with a little bit of like a liquid makeup remover. But I find usually once I do my cleanser that's all taken off too. Ooh, looking like a hot mess. Alright, seems like most of that's off. It's in my eye, so we're gonna need to wash this out right now. Alright, now that the makeup is off, I'm going in with cleanser. So my two favorites are the You to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. This is highly raved about by Hiram here on YouTube, and I've noticed that since he's raved about it, this has been literally sold out for so long. It's a really nice, simple, gentle cleanser. I like that the ingredients are clean too. I'll probably use this one like 4 to 5 times a week. And then this is my other favorite. This is the Tatcha Rice Wash. This one has a gentle exfoliator in it because it does have their rice powder. You break it up when you activate it with water, so it's not like harsh on the skin. It's more of like a chemical exfoliator. But I really like this one because it's hydrating and it helps that exfoliation. And I do have dry skin that gets lots of like dry patches, so this one is really good as well. But I haven't done like a good exfoliator in a few weeks, so I'm gonna do that tonight. Therefore, I'm gonna go in with the You to the People cleanser, and I also use it on a little face brush. This is amazing for really cleaning out the pores, getting deep into the skin, removing everything. And I've noticed over the years of using face brushes, it really has helped keep my texture down as well. So I really live by them. This spin brush is by the brand Duval. So Duval was kind enough to send over their Radiance skincare system. So in this you get the brush, you get the daily cleansing brush, which is what I have on it right now. You also get a body cleansing brush, which is amazing because your body needs love too, and it needs to be exfoliated, so this is amazing for it. So you also get the exfoliating brush, which is what I'm going to be using today because like I said, my skin needs that little extra exfoliant. And you also have the pumic stone here. So you get a whole bunch of brushes for lots of different things. Your whole body from head to toe is literally going to be exfoliated and clean and smooth. The brush is also water resistant, so it is safe to use in the shower. You just obviously don't want to be like drowning it in water, but it is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower, you can get it wet, and it's also battery operated. So this whole set retails for $95 US, but they did give me a code to give to you guys to get 70% off of this brush, which is amazing. Like, that's such a steal. So I'll have it on the screen here. I'll also have it down below for you and a link that you can check it out at. I don't make anything with the link. It's literally just for you guys to save money. I just like to make sure that you're aware of that. But yeah, I love cleansing brushes, and I've been using the Clairsonic for a couple years, but they went out of business. So they kind of came up at a perfect time because I was starting to look for a new cleansing brush, and they reached out to me, and I was like, that is so perfect. Like, yes, I would love to. So yeah, definitely check out the link below if you want to save some money on this brush. So like I said, I'm going to change over to the exfoliating brush head because I need a little extra exfoliant today. Also wet the brush, and then I'm just gonna pump my, this is not easy to do with one hand, I'm gonna pump my cleanser on the brush and turn it on and just start exfoliating. I can definitely feel a difference with this brush head, like it's much more intense. So this is definitely one you probably only want to use once a week. I really like to focus in those pores and make sure that everything is deeply cleaned out of that area. Alright, I would say my skin feels super clean now, so I'm going to quickly rinse this off. I always pat my skin dry and not like rub it because you don't want to be pulling on your skin. My skin feels incredibly soft right now and smooth. So now we're going to move into my beauty room to do the skincare. Alright, we're in my beauty room now, so I'm going to start my skincare. The first thing I go in with is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner, and I use these on my Shiseido cotton pads. Alright, the next thing I go in with is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peels. That's what they look like. If you watch my haul, I showed you guys that I got them, and I've been using them for a while. I don't know if I've noticed any difference. I'm close to halfway done the pack. So I did take before pictures, and once I finish them, I'll take after pictures, and if I don't notice a difference, like, then I'm giving up. I'm done with skincare. Those were expensive. So I first go in with the number one, the Exfoliate and Smooth. These aren't all products that I've used for years. Like, I try something, and then when I finish it, unless I like absolutely love it, I try something different. So yeah, my skincare routine changes a lot, but this is just kind of what I've been currently doing. So basically I use this wipe until it's mostly dry, and then I just let it sit for a few seconds, and then I go in with the other side, the anti-aging neutralizer, and just repeat the process. Use it basically until it is dry. Next, I'm gonna go in with some hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. Just a very simple hydrating ingredient. I put a couple drops into my hands instead of putting it directly on the face because you don't want to get bacteria into the product from it touching your face. So pump it into your hand. This just feels so nice on the skin though, like it just feels so hydrating and sinks in so well. And then I'm gonna go in with the caffeine solution, also from The Ordinary. I take like a drop and a half basically for my under eyes, and I just pat it between my fingers and then pat it in. This is just supposed to help your under eyes, you know, appear brighter, reduces the discoloration and puffiness. And I do find that like when I was using this every day, it really did help with the darkness not appear quite as much. So yeah, I just gently rub that into my under eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Murad Invisacar Resurfacing Treatment. So I also showed this product in my haul. Oh, I put way too much. You really don't need much of this, but I have bad acne scars on my cheeks here. These are all from wearing a mask. It really sucks. I don't ever get acne on my cheeks, and since wearing a mask, that seems to be their place. So putting that there. I'm also going to put it up here because I burnt my forehead on a curling iron. That's fun. So I'm going to hope that putting some of this scar treatment will get rid of it. And then I just kind of apply some anywhere else that I can tell is gonna scar. A lot of my breakouts like to leave scars behind, so that's awesome. While that sits, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. So right now I'm using the Tarte C Wink of H2O, which honestly I've been really liking. It's just a very simple eye cream. I scoop about that much and it's a little bit thicker, but it melts into the skin really nice. So I just take a little bit on my fingers and smooth that into my under eyes very gently. I also like to take it on my lid just because my eyelids can get a little bit dry, so I like to give that extra moisture. I also like keeping this in my skincare fridge along with this, just because they're so nice and cold and like refreshing. But I think eye creams, especially in the skincare fridge, is really nice because it really helps with any puffiness to just help get rid of it. So next, my favorite part is moisturizer. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, which is a recent favorite of mine. I absolutely love it, especially in these colder months. It really deeply nourishes my skin and adds lots of hydration. So I'm almost out of it, unfortunately, because I really love this a lot. Now, I know you probably don't need a lot of this. I use a lot of this because I just like the feel of it. And then just apply that to the skin and oh, it just feels so good. And you want to make sure to bring it down your neck. But I find this just really helps keep my dryness at a minimum. Alright, and lastly for my night skincare routine, I go in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a must for me. I have to use this every single night. So I just scoop a little bit with my finger. Oh, it's just so good. And that is my skincare routine. So I feel like it's pretty simple, but there is a lot of steps. I mean, for me, they're all necessary because they all do different things, but not everybody needs a really extravagant skincare routine. I know that simple like cleanser, moisturizer, I think that's probably it, is sufficient enough. But just because of the industry that I work in, I'm always trying new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what my skincare routine looks like, because I know I get lots of questions on it. Let me know some good skincare products down below, like some must-haves. I'd love to know because I really enjoy trying out new skincare. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. It was definitely a little different, taking things off rather than putting things on, but also fun because it's like there's no hassle of like having to take my makeup off and clean up and all of that kind of stuff. Like I'm basically ready for bed at this point. Also make sure to check that link down below if you want to get the spin brush for 70% off. That's crazy, meaning you get it for $28.50. That is a crazy deal. Definitely check that out. Also make sure to subscribe and like this video if you haven't done so already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.